Princess Cays is a tender-only port, requiring passengers to take a 20-minute boat ride from the cruise ship to the shore. There is no extra charge for the tender ride. Tenders are large, two-level boats. Passengers can obtain priority access by booking shore excursions, renting beach gear like umbrellas, or having an elite suite status. Princess Cays is a 40-acre private cruise port located in the Bahamas. It is owned by Carnival Corporation for Princess Cruises and Carnival Cruise Line passengers. There is plenty of shopping with something for everyone, and prices weren't too bad. Princess Cays offers a free beach day experience featuring white sand shores, snorkeling, water sports, beach barbecues, and bungalow rentals, accessible only by tender. Always find out when the last tender ride will take you back to your ship, as you certainly don't want to be late. Word of advice, set your time to ship time and always go by ship's time when in any ports of call. Princess Cays features Pelican's Perch, a dedicated, supervised, and fenced-in play area for children that includes a shaded, pirate ship-themed wooden playground. Adjacent to this area is a small, shallow, 2-foot-deep splash pool for the younger children. Guests are provided with a free beach barbecue buffet with ribs, burgers, and salads. and they also serve cookies and brownies. There is a dedicated observation deck at Princess Cays, located near the Carnival Buffet Hall, which offers panoramic views of the island and ocean. It is a well-built wooden structure with stairs and guardrails, providing an elevated scenic spot for awesome photos. Private air-conditioned bungalows are available to reserve in advance for $399 when this video was created. That included up to 4 people. The cost included snacks and a cooler, which included 2 sodas or waters per person. Also, clamshells, shaded lounge chairs are available for rent, providing a more comfortable private experience. We were able to purchase for an additional charge a small keepsake cooler bag that included 6 beers. The main attraction of Princess Cays is the extensive shoreline with crystal clear, shallow water, ideal for swimming. I do suggest wearing swim shoes, as this beach, the floor is quite rocky and hard to walk on in certain areas. They also have snorkeling and kayaking equipment rentals for paddleboards, clear bottom kayaks, and aqua chairs are available.